Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn about first aid. But before it, let's subscribe my channel and like my videos. Stay connected for more fun and learning videos. Okay. First aid is assistance or help given to a person suffering a sudden illness or injury until full medical treatment available. Means to help someone in emergency. It is our responsibility. You must know what to do when there is small cuts. So I will tell you first aid for small cuts. Number 1. Wash the area with water. Number 2. Wipe the area with antiseptic lotion. Number 3. Tie the bandage. And number 4. Call the elder or doctor if it's very deep. I hope you learn a lot and you will help the others in any emergency because it is very necessary. Thanks for watching my video. Oh, wait. Can you spell my name? Let's do together. Humayl. Humayl. Please subscribe my channel. Like, share, comment. See you later, friends. Bye-bye.